We have already condemned it. Our Home Minister has been very, very firm the whole night. In fact, he was monitoring the situation along with the SP, and till late night, in fact, till early morning, nobody rested in this situation. But a lot of quick investigation has followed through. You're aware that 2 people have already been arrested in this. So we condemn this, and those who are responsible for this, firm action will be taken against them. Yes, the information that has come to us that these are overground workers of the HNLC. These are incidents that happened, should have been avoided, shouldn't have happened. There's no doubt about that. But to link it to saying that it's militancy coming back, or it's this kind of power that they're having, would be overestimating the entire thing. Yes, there are concerns, and as I said, these are overground workers. The action has been taken on that and will be taken, and further we will continue to neutralize anybody who tries to disturb the law and order in the state. And many other activities are going on at the back, but it will not be appropriate for me to talk about that right now. But yes, there are a lot of initiatives being taken in that regard, and you will see the results of that soon.